So today I'm going to be working on this fiberglass hood. It's on this challenge. It's the original Trans Am hood. You saw me do some fiberglass work on it. I'm going to do some more finish work on it today. It's pretty rough. It's an original factory hood. Was very nice when it was new. If you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe to Bo's Mopar Garage. Subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and you'll see me soon. Hey guys, you saw me put some fiberglass resin on this hood. We got it fitting pretty good. I put a coat of fiberglass filler over the resin. Now we're going to strip the paint off this hood. Nice gaps on this car. It's going to be a pretty car. We're going to start off with the 8-inch DA with some 40 grit on it. Gotta be careful with it so you don't make a bunch of waves in the fiberglass. Put a block of wood under here. Get this up off the fenders a little bit. This is a tedious job. You got to be careful on the edges, because otherwise you're going to make holes in the fiberglass. So luckily for me, somebody put enamel paint on here, or acrylic enamel, or something like that. Because if it was lacquer, it would just smear. As you can see, you have to be very careful with it. Alright, got some 150 on the sander. We go over what we just did. All right. I'm going to put some 80 grit on this little guy here. Keep going. We strip the back of the hood here. Oh. Get some dust on it. It doesn't stick anymore. need the little guy here with some 80 on it. All right, let's get back at it. This is still 80 grit. All right, now that it's all stripped, needs a little cleanup, and you got to check for spider cracks. And just walking around right quick. There's one right there. There's one right here. There's some pinholes here and there. As you can see that right there. And I'm sure there'll be more. There always is. But probably gonna put some feather fill on this hood. It works excellent on fiberglass. So there's still quite a bit of finish work left here. All in all, it looks pretty good for a 50-year-old hood. All right, so now we're taking some waves out of this hood. Doing a little bit more finish work. Make sure the gaps are good. I had to build this edge up here because it was warped. Move you in over here so you can see what's going on. We're getting close. Getting close.